Education has evolved, technology has evolved, careers have evolved, but have we ever evolved the way we nurture our children? Hi, this is Mokshita Patel, the founder of Magnus Young Leadership Academy. I'm building a scalable leadership ecosystem that empowers young minds with communication, critical thinking, and global exposure. I'll explain how Magnus actually works because we do not start with the syllabus, we start with the child. At Magnus, every student begins with the structured multi-dimensional assessment. We measure what truly matters for the long-term growth. This is about academic foundations like concept clarity, mathematical thinking, reading comprehension, writing structure. Also, we assess about cognitive abilities of the child, logical reasoning, questioning abilities, learning behavior and attention span. Also, we check about the inner strength of the child like communication and confidence level, emotional stability, self-awareness, independent thinking, and then we make a personal academic observation report of the child. Every child has different strengths and different gaps. If a child is weak in mathematics, it doesn't mean that the child is not intelligent. It means certain thinking skills need to be trained. If a child lacks confidence, it's not a birth limitation. Confidence is a skill and skills can be developed. Many frustrated parents says that my child studies for hours but no progress. So what pattern today we see is the child reads, writes, underlines, memorizes but no output. Because the child is physically present here, mentally somewhere else. Child reads without understanding, writes without concentration, sitting with the books but no engagement. It's not that the child how many hours studying, is the child really involved? Traditional pattern, teacher teaches, students listen. One-way communication. When children only listen passively, their brain doesn't engage deeply. And when the brain is not engaged, it wanders. That is not indiscipline. That is natural psychology. At this growing age, curiosity is expanding, imagination is active, questions are natural, energy is high. If curiosity is not nurtured, it becomes distraction. If curiosity is guided, it becomes intelligence. Focus is not forced. Focus is created through involvement. In today's world, information is everywhere. The real educators should not just only give answers, they should also teach how to ask right questions, how to verify informations, how to use AI responsibly, how to research, how to think independently. We want our children not to dependent on teachers for every single line of the textbook. We want them to be capable, independent learners because future belongs to thinkers. What Magnus does differently? Interactive questioning. Students are asked, not just told. Every concept is explored through guided questions that build critical thinking. Real-time problem solving. Students are applying concepts immediately through logical drills, micro presentations and concept discussions. Application-based learning. Knowledge is connected to the real context, rooted in Indian culture, heritage and modern global relevance. 20 plus factors that shape a child's growth. Academic results are never the product of study hours alone. At Magnus, we identify and address every factor systematically. Academic and cognitive. Weak foundational concepts, memorization only learning, no problem solving practice, poor reading and writing habits, lack of independent thinking, teacher dependency, lifestyle and wellness, poor sleep cycle, nutritional imbalance, excessive screen exposure, emotional and social, fear of failure, comparison pressure, low self-esteem, emotional stress, social anxiety, planning and tracking, over-focus on marks, no skill identification, poor time management, irregular tracking and feedback. Academic result is an outcome, growth is the process. If a child struggles in a subject, it's not a verdict. If a child is not confident, it's not a destiny. Skills can be trained, thinkings can be sharpened, confidence can be developed, leadership can be built. Magnus Young Leadership Academy of India, where every student's journey is seen, supported and celebrated. Modern skills, cultural roots.